What if I told you building a beautiful, responsive website could be as easy as typing a sentence or two and letting AI do all the work? No coding, no staring at a blank page, no design stress. Today I'll show you how Relume AI is transforming web design, whether you're a pro or just starting out. We're about to dive into Relume AI, a next-gen website builder that can turn your ideas into fully structured, customizable websites in literally minutes. If you're a designer, an agency, or even a beginner, Relume's workflow just might change how you think about building websites. Stick around. I'll share some juicy workflow tips that boost productivity and possibly profits. Relume feels like stepping into the future. Just sign up. Describe your website in a sentence or two, say, a modern portfolio for a photographer or a digital bank homepage. Pick the number of pages, your language, and hit Generate Sitemap. Seconds later, Relume creates a visual sitemap. Homepage, features, testimonials, about, contact, everything mapped out. Adding, editing, or rearranging sections is as simple as drag and drop. Need another page? Just type a name. Relume updates the structure for you. Now switch to wireframe mode. Relume draws your site as a series of smart, skeleton layouts, hero banners, feature blocks, calls to action, based on your brief. Don't like a section? Swap it out. Need a copy? Relume generates real, relevant text so you're never stuck with lorem ipsum. Worried about cookie-cutter designs? Relume's library offers over 1,000 components for Figma and Webflow. Shuffle layouts, swap cards and buttons, and present multiple design concepts with a click, so your site never feels generic. Normally, building a design system takes days. Here, Relume's AI generates your style guide, fonts, colors, and components almost instantly. Want a particular font or color? Lock it in and remix the rest. You can upload your own images and logos to see your vision come to life. Once you're happy, export your project straight to Figma, Webflow, React, or HTML. Share a preview link for instant feedback. No more endless email threads or scattered comments. Whether you're sharing with clients or your dev team, handoff is painless. Some designers worry, is AI too limiting? With Relume, you're always in the driver's seat. Automation gets you started. Fine-tuned control gets you polished results. Adjust layouts, colors, text, or even style guides. Nothing's locked in. Share your site via a simple link. Clients and teammates can comment directly, reducing back and forth and speeding up approvals. Whether you work in Figma, Webflow, or need code for developers, Relume has you covered. Move from concept to production without tech hurdles. Relume is fast and flexible, but you'll still want to review and adjust AI-generated content for brand accuracy. And while the tool's intuitive, the first run might take a bit of exploration, just like any new creative tool. Ready to customize in Figma? Here's how simple it is. Open the Relume Figma kit. Go to Plugins in Figma, launch the Relume plugin, and log in. Select your Relume project and import your wireframes. Your layout appears instantly, ready for deep custom design. The most mind-blowing thing? Relume AI doesn't just build for you, it thinks with you. You get the speed of automation plus total creative control. Iterate, present, and launch faster than ever, without sacrificing quality. What Relume feature would have the biggest impact on your workflow? Let me know in the comments. Hit subscribe to AI with TechSnap for more deep dives into creative tools, and check out my next video. You don't want to miss it.